Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 9. List the events that lead to biogas production from wastewater whose BOD has been reduced significantly. क्या होगा? Activated sludge, bacterial floc is separated from wastewater. Then जो remaining part है that is pumped into large tank, that is anaerobic sludge digesters. वहां पे sludge is anaerobically digested by bacteria and fungi. Then biogas is produced, which is a mixture of methane, H2S and carbon dioxide. This was question number 9.